Hello everyone, how are you? Under the consonant pronunciation, how to pronounce all consonant letters, but because the letters C, G, R, S and T have important differences in pronunciation, we have brought them in detail for you. You have to trace these information detailedly. You can understand easily. We have explained this sound in a simple and factual way so everyone can understand. If you find any mistakes or have suggestions, please comment in our comment section. We are always improving. For more useful and simple information, you can visit our YouTube channel Complete Information. To support us, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.